Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to get coupon deals for Ancestry.com. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser and then head on over to Google. And now once you're inside Google, type in coupon vouchers for Ancestry.com and then click search. And now if we scroll down, you'll be able to see third-party sites offering coupons. So we've got Coupon Follow, 75% off Groupon. Got Real Tell Me Not. So you can check out any one of these third-party sites for deals. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to couponfollow.com. They change these deals daily or weekly too, by the way, and any one of these sites will work. But one I like to use is Coupon Follow. So as you can see, here's all the current deals. So we got 40% off 6-month membership, 30% in savings. Got all these different deals that you can check out. So to activate any one of these, if I want 40% off 6-month membership, I'm going to click into that. Now I'm going to copy this code and paste that code at the checkout section of Ancestry.com to enjoy my 40% off 6-month membership.